Messi with the free kick.
Chance. He's big.
Termina traicionándolo.
Buena acción de Messi, Valeo. Va Messi. Encara Messi. Sigue Diego el arco. Messi, lo gana Argentina 4-3.
Never been relegated from the Primera Division. It's something to be admired, I have to say. Well, there's three of them right. He's still going. Look at this, Kevin. It's a brilliant run from Messi. Did he go all the way? It's one of the great Copa del Rey final goals from the magical, mercurial
Pep is the boss. But here's Messi. Away from 2, 3, 4. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. How good is he? A near supernatural goal from Lionel Messi. He has wriggled and tiptoed his way to the gates of Wembley Stadium. He is just brilliant. Best player in the world, bar none.
Well, Messi. Oh, brilliant skill from Lionel Messi. Surging forward with real menace here. Brilliant from Messi. Oh, what a goal that is! And the whole of this ground stands and applauds the 19-year-old. Have you seen a better goal than that anywhere this season? I very much doubt it.
Well, you can't help but smile. That was sensational, and there's very few players, if any, in the world could do what he's just done, Kevin. And there's plenty of attention. He started off his own halfway line. He's had to get past one defender, he's had to nutmeg another. He's still got a long way to go.